This is Shawn from BD Laptop as a Service. Today I will show how to replace HP 15CS1067NR battery. Now flip the laptop and unscrew all the screw with a screwdriver from the back part of the laptop as you shown in the video. Now take a opener and open the laptop back part carefully. Now unscrew the battery screw and pull out the battery carefully. HP 15CS1067NR laptop only support HT03XL battery, so be careful that you are replacing HT03XL battery. Now take a HT03XL battery and fix it as directed in the video. After fixing the battery, you should check whether the battery is good or bad. You can see this battery is in completely good condition. Shut down the laptop and screw the back part of the laptop according to the video. If you like our video, please like and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon.